Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today, I'll show you how to find and earn black hole badge on the Khan Academy app on your mobile phone. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to get it. And so let's get right into the video. First, you need to make sure you have downloaded your app. If you haven't already, you can simply open your app store for iOS and simply download it from there. As you can see, I have already downloaded it, so you can simply open it from here. Once you have opened your Khan Academy app, you can simply tap on the settings part, and as you can see, there is an option called Explore Badges. You can simply click on it, and it doesn't support full badge exploration in the mobile app, so you have to open it through a browser. Simply open in browser, and as you can see, here is the black hole badge. To earn badge like this, you have to keep completing lessons, quizzes and challenges in your subject. The more skills you master, the more badges you will unlock. These are all the badges that you might unlock in the future, so keep checking your badges to track your progress and motivate yourself. You can get each and every one if you are consistent and are keen on learning new things about your subject, about your lessons. That's how you can find and work toward earning black hole badge on Khan Academy app. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button and subscribe for more, and comment what badge or topic you want me to explain next, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.